Hello guys, I'm Aman Khanna, and today we'll go through a website that I have created using React. Let's get started. So the name of the website is StackTrek.netlify.app. It is live and you can check it out. So this website helps you visualize data structures and learn them in an easier way. So let's sign in. For the signing purpose, I have used Firebase console. Let's select an ID. Now we are signed in. So these are the pages that you can visit. So let's start from the home page. You can see this is all hard coded for now, just an advertising thing. Then let's go to start learning. Let's go through different types of data structures here. So let's start with array. So over here you can see this is a visual mechanism to help you learn easily. So let's test it out. Let's insert the value 7 at the index 2. It's inserted here. Time complexity is mentioned, space complexity is mentioned as well. Let's delete index 3, which is the number 30. Deleted. Let's see if the value 30 exists now. Not found in array. Let's choose the value 45. It found. Similarly, we have for linked list, stacks, queues, binary tree, hash table, graphs, and heaps. Let's go to a tutorials page. So currently I have implemented array fundamentals, linked lists, and stacks. These will come in the future. So let's get ahead and started with the array. So this is a completely theoretical thing, and over here you can play with it. You can add elements. Let's do 205. Let's say you want to add 304. Let's search 205. It found it. Then we can go through all this theoretical knowledge: JavaScript, Python, Java. It gives you different codes as well of the different operations like searching in arrays. And after finishing, we can do complete. When we go back to tutorial, this will be highlighted in golden. Similarly for linked list stacks as well. Let's do stack. Let's push 40. Now let's pop. 40 gets popped. Pop again. 30 gets popped. Let's do a peak 20. The first element, the topmost element of the stack. This is also completely mentioned on how you can study stacks. The codes have been given along with the explanation. So we can go through this quickly. Let's try it. Let's try pushing one. Let's pop, pop, pop. Stack is empty now. Let's complete. We'll go back to tutorials. Now let's go to algorithms. Over here I have implemented two algorithms, bubble sort and linear search. Others will be coming in the future, and you can select which one do you want. Currently bubble sort has been implemented fully. So over here we'll see visually how bubble sort works. Let me start it. It's comparing the red elements. 90 has been done. It's comparing 34, 11. 64 has been fixed, and we can see the number of steps over here. It should take around 40 steps. 41 steps then. Let's go to a linear search. Let's search the element 62. So it'll start comparing elements one by one, starting from the index 0. Still finding. We found at index 10. Let's search for something that's not there in the array. Let's say, let's reset it first. 100. Let's see what do we get now. It should say element not found. Let's see. Linear search going through one by one. Not found. Now let's go to some code examples. Over here I have implemented the array. Others will be coming soon, and these are the languages that are supported. So currently the four popular languages, JavaScript, Python, C++, and Java, have been showcased here. A complete code along with comments on how do you perform different operations, adding an element, removing element. Then we can select, say you are a Python coder, select Python. We got C++, Java. It doesn't stop there. We are having some algorithms as well, binary search, along with the time complexity and space complexity. Now let's go to challenges. Over here, these challenges are the some problems you might face, which will help you develop your concept even clear. So currently, the compiler has not been implemented, but you can use these problems and see that if you can solve them. You can see the problem here, go to Jupyter Notebook or VS Code and solve it and see if you can solve it. If you're completing a challenge, you will definitely gain XP. Currently, compiler has not been has been implemented yet. So you can start a timer, go to a Jupyter Notebook, try solving it, come back. If yes, good, skip challenge. You can get XP from here and level up. Currently 0 XP. Yes. So let's go to achievements. As you progress, as you learn through this website, will progress further, and there are a ton of achievements that you can gather. The best one being you have completed all the tutorials. Next, we'll go to leaderboard. Currently, we have 0 XP, so we are still pretty low. Let's go to mini games. This is a very interesting section. So currently, I implemented Tower of Hanoi and Hidden Array Search. So Tower of Hanoi, we all know that we have to move a stack of disk from point A to point C. Let's play this game and see. So you can select a difficulty from 3 to 6. Let's go with the easiest. Let's start. So let me try solving it. Okay, this is not the way. One goes to destination first. Let's start. One goes here. I think this is pretty efficient. Yep, optimal. We solved it correctly. You can also set a difficulty if you would like. 6 disks will take 63 moles. I don't have the time for that. Explain it right now. Let's go to hidden array search. So this is a sorted array in an ascending order. You have to find the number 38. One way is to go from start to the end, but that's a linear search and that's not the most effective. What you can do is start in the middle, 30. That was pretty lucky. Let's go to a new game. 24. We don't know what is the range of the numbers. 24 looks kind of small. Let's go with this one, 30. Since it's sorted ascending, we should not look at these tiles over here. It doesn't make sense. So let's go and see this tile. 10, 34. 10 and 30. It has to be in 24 in between them. So this is really inefficient. So this will, as you study, you can play these games and see. You can use different algorithms to search an array. 99. Most likely it's going to be the last number. Almost there. Then you have your profile in which if you are learning data structures daily, you will have a daily streak. Then it's completed. Hour spent, we have just started. And our level is 1 because we can't earn XP right now. And then the about page on how what versions have we used. It's a gamified learning platform. And you can check it out at I'll share you my GitHub link as well. So you can check it out at here github.com/khanna/StackTrek. It is a public repository, so you can just check it out and see it yourself. Then the terms and conditions, obviously. This is not a commercial website yet, so this is just hard coded. Then the privacy policy as well. And at the bottom, you have a weekly progress. As you complete tasks, you will progress. So this is it about my website. Go check it out. Do give me feedbacks in the comments. Thank you.